This is Shrikant. I am doing this presentation to demonstrate my IoT internship project, Smart Home Management System. Let's get started. In this presentation, I'll cover a detailed overview of the Smart Home Management project developed during my internship in IoT. The project leverages IoT technology to enhance the efficiency and convenience of home automation systems. In this project, I used Node MCU, that is ESP8266, as the core controller. I integrated various sensors and devices including LDR for ambient light detection and a DHT11 sensor for monitoring temperature and humidity. The system is designed to manage appliances such as lights and air conditioning with two LED indicators representing their operational status. Through Blink platform, a mobile app dashboard was created enabling real-time control and monitoring of these appliances, demonstrating the potential of IoT in modern automation. Goal of the internship: to gain practical experience in designing and implementing smart home automation systems using IoT technology. And I acquired the skills such as programming languages like C, C++ for embedded system programming, and I learned to interface sensors and actuators like LDRs and DHT11 sensors and LCD displays and relays. And I learned to program using Arduino IDE and debugging skills. And for cloud connectivity, I learned how to use Link Cloud for connecting the cloud. Project description: developed a smart home management system using IoT technology, and I used a Node MCU, that is ESP8266, as main controller for project. And I integrated LDR sensor to monitor ambient light levels, and I used DHT11 sensors to measure the temperature and humidity, and I controlled the appliances like lights and AC with LED indicators showing their status, and connected the system to the Blink cloud for remote monitoring and control via a mobile app. Enabled real-time data collection and appliance management to enhance home automation. And the requirement of this project for real implementation: it requires Node MCU, that is ESP8266, for controlling the system and enabling Wi-Fi connectivity, and sensors like LVR and DHT11 for ambient light levels and measuring temperature and humidity, and actuators like LED lights to indicate the status of the appliances and relays to control the appliances. And for software part, Arduino IDE for programming and coding the microcontrollers, and Blink platform for creating a mobile application dashboard and enabling cloud connectivity, and additional components like resistors and jumper wires and breadboards for circuit connections, and power supply unit for microcontroller and sensors. And development processes: requirement gathering. So this project has some requirements and goals to finish. And component selection. So I chose ESP8266 for microcontroller, and LDR for light ambience, and DHT11 for temperature and humidity, LEDs for indication, and circuit assembly and programming. So I used Arduino IDE for programming the ESP8266 controller, and for cloud integration I used the Blink platform, and testing and deployment is the last process. Overall project design: so the DHT11 and LDR is used to get the environmental parameters like the temperature, humidity, and the light ambience. Using the 8266 controller, it connected to the Wi-Fi, and it connects to the internet and connected to the Blink Club. Using this Blink platform, we can create mobile app and even website which contains a dashboard to control all the appliances and to visualize the necessary environmental parameters data. And using this ESP controller and the Blink Cloud combination, we can control the lights and ACs in the backward direction. So for implementation, this is the dashboard we created for the mobile app, and this is the overall circuit assembly. So this is the LDR used to get the light ambience, and the DST11 sensor for temperature and humidity, and the node MCU, that is ESP8266 for core microcontroller. And these two LED indicates the status of the light and air conditioning. Conclusion. So in this internship, I learned many things. I understood how IoT system is built and how microcontroller is programmed and how a microcontroller is connected to the cloud connectivity such as Blink Cloud, and also I implemented one of the practical applications of IoT. So let's see a real-time demo of this project. I use ESP8266 and DHT11 and LDR. DHT11 for temperature and humidity, and LDR for the brightness of the room or the area. And we use Blink platform to connect it to the internet and control through laptops and mobile phones, as we created a demo app using Blink. So the concept is we are getting the temperature value from the room using the DHT11 sensor and the ambience using LDR, and based on the value, user can able to automate this process of switching on and switching off the lights and ACs, or he can control it manually using the app. So just like I show you. So this light represents the light we use in our home, and this represents the AC, air conditioner we use in our home. So since I use LED, but in real time it should be connected to a relay, and that relay controls those appliances. And this gauge represents the ambience value in the room, that is 0 to 1023. So 0 represents complete dark and 1023 represents complete brightness, and the temperature of this room is 32.8 degrees Celsius and humidity to be 71%. So let's check this value whether it works or not. So I'll switch off my my lights in my room, so the brightness value will go low. So as you can see, the ambience value reduced to 22, and I switch back my lights on. Again, the ambience value rise to 339, and now it's 468. So temperature also changes with respect to the environment, and it can be controlled using the app anywhere from the world using internet. Thank you.